Hello guys, welcome to Siki Graphics. In this video, I'm going to show you a fix of how to fix Pixellab Emboss problem and 3D effect. Now, let me show you what that looks like. Now, let's activate the Emboss effect. Now, as you can see here, as I reduce the size, this is what happens. One thing you can do as a fix is to adjust the size gently until you have gotten to what you want. Yes. So now let me export this and show you what it looks like. Same thing also applies to the 3D effect. Okay, now it has been saved in my gallery. Let me show you what the final result looks like. As you can see here, this is the final file and this does not look good at all. Now this problem is for Android 10 and 11 users, but other previous versions of Android, they won't have this problem. Now what you can do if you still want to use Pixellab, you can use another alternative, or if you want to export your work so that it will give you that what you just showed us, you can easily screenshot what you just did. Now I've taken a screenshot and let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, now this is a screenshot, and what you can do here is to crop your work. Okay, so now another method for you is to install Textoon. Now Textoon is an alternative for Pixellab, and this is what the app looks like. It has all the features of Pixellab. The only difference is that the icons look different, but every other features are all the same. Now let me show you the emboss effect over here and see and show you that it does not have any problem at all. This app has unlimited fonts which you would love to use. Now as I activate the emboss tool here, as you can see, there is no problem at all, and even the 3D text effect, there is no problem at all. That is a quick fix, and you can continue using Textoon app to make your designs, or if you still want to use Pixellab, you can save this as PNG, remove the background, save this as PNG, and save to gallery. And when it's done saving, you can go over to Pixellab and export your design or your text or whatever you did the emboss to. You can go over and export it. Click on import, go over and import it. And this. Okay, so once it's done saving, you can go over to Pixellab and import this in your design. That's it for this video. If you like this tutorial or if this helped you, please do subscribe and turn on post notifications, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.